With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, the question is, what is the IUPAC nomenclature of vanillin used as a flavoring agent of ice cream? Fine. So the options are 3-chloro-4-methoxybenzoic acid, 4,6-dimethylbenzaldehyde, 3,4-dihydroxybenzaldehyde, and 4-hydroxy-3-methoxybenzaldehyde. Fine. So it is clear from the equation that vanillin is used as flavoring agent in ice cream. Fine. So we need to first draw the structure of this vanillin. So if we draw the structure of this vanillin, then this is present here. Now here it will be CHO group present. Here it will be OCH3 group present. And here it is, here it is OH group present. Fine. So we need to do the IUPAC nomenclature for this compound that is present here. So let's see. At first, let us draw the clear picture to it. So this is present here. We can write this as OCH3 like this. This is OH group present here. And this is benzaldehyde. And this is C double bond O and H. Now see, at first we can see here that this CHO group is present here. So we should number it at first. So not this carbon atom. The carbon atom attached to it, 1, 2, 3 and 4. We can either go like this or we can go like this, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. But the second nomenclature will be wrong. Why? Because you can see here fourth group contains OH, but fifth group here contains OCH3. But in the first nomenclature we were getting third group lower substituent for OCH3. So this is wrong here. So the first one is correct. Let me erase this. 5 will be erased, right? So this will be the nomenclature like this. So we will be naming it as benzaldehyde will be the primary substituent, will be present here, will be in the main ring. So benzaldehyde in the main ring. As we know, CHO gets a higher priority. Now what happens is we have left with this OCH3 and OH. So now what happens is we have this hydroxy group, right? And on nomenclature of ethane, the shortest chain is named first. So this is methoxy present here. Methane is present here. Methyl is present here. This is CH3 is methyl. And ether is present. So the nomenclature is done as methoxy. So according to nomenclature rules, H comes first. So this will be named at first. So this will be 3. So at what position it is numbered? So it is 4. So at fourth position hydroxy is present. So it will be 4 hydroxy. At what position methoxy is present? So it will be 3 methoxy. And at last it will be benzaldehyde. As it is the main word root. So this is the nomenclature of this vanillin. Now let us see the options. So the first option is wrong. 3-chloro it is written and 4-methoxy, which is absolutely wrong. No chlorine is present here. Second option is also wrong, as it says 2,4,6-dimethoxy. No 2-methoxy groups are present here. Third option is also wrong. 3,4-dihydroxy. No 2-dihydroxy groups are present here. And at last 4-hydroxy-3-methoxybenzaldehyde is the name of our vanillin. So this is the last one is the correct option. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.